let's have a talk about BTC. We did have a discussion last week about what we expected to see, and we caught it. So we did get longs from around 86.8, which is around here, after I saw a nice level of support develop here. As you can see, this rounded bottom here, lava splash, and then we got in around here. Stop loss was just below here, and the take profit was 90 at 89, I think it was. Yeah, no problemo. Right, that was a smooth trade, and then we did also say that price would go straight down from that level, which it did exactly that, and it gave half the setup. But then here's where it failed, and price inversed. So we had that inversion here, and then also we had price break the previous highs again, and this time close above, but failed to stay above as well, coming back down to use the previous resistance, giving us a Quasimodo head and shoulders here. There you go, giving us a Quasimodo over there, taking us down to this low here, which price has cleared. Yep, it's taken the stops and taken these stops below, right, giving us support, and now looks like it's made support on this block here. So I'd be very confident in price pushing its way back up into this area here, and that's where we'll just see whether the price is gonna go to push up here, or we're gonna get the same thing and just trade back down into here, and then maybe allow that down into here. Right, now we could see ourselves ranging in here into the December, but you know, Decembers are normally good for cryptos. Right, so we'll see how we get on. That's the main thing for BTC for now. As you know, not really bullish anytime soon, as I do still see the liquidity down here hasn't been swept. Right, so you can see there's a lot of liquidity down here that hasn't been swept. Right, and also the liquidity down here. You know what I mean? So if we do get to sweep this level of liquidity, which has been the highest point from here, this is like the biggest move we've had so far since the whole of December. So it's from here to there, from like 80,000, 81,000 up to 94. Right? Now we need to clear this to go higher, in my opinion. So I believe price would have to come down maybe into the 78s, and then we could see a push back higher. But I don't see it until at least 82, 78, this area here. I don't see BTC having enough momentum or buyer pressure to take us above this 95, 94 level. You understand? So, right then, just bear with me. Okay. Yeah, so as we can see, we've got a nice level of support that's formed here. Price formed it up here, resistance turn support. We had a nice breakout trade away from it, and then a trade back into it. I missed this trade, unfortunately. That would have been a good trade, quick little scalp trade there. But we'll get another opportunity. There's always another trade. As we're coming up to the end of the year as well, we should see some last ditch momentum towards the end of the month, just after the Christmas. Maybe from the 27th to the 30th, we should get an injection of liquidity or volatility. We might get some news announcements. We had initial jobless claims today that came out bad for the dollar, so gold's done a little run up. I think they came out bad for the dollar. I'm gonna check that. I wasn't really sure myself. I've been recording videos for you guys. So yeah, that's what we're looking at for Bitcoin. It looks like we're gonna go long from here, at least up into the 88s, clear this high, and then we'll have to see how price fares up at this level. If we see price break up and manage to give us a support trade away, we'll be looking for that pullback to then catch the continuation up to take out the highs of 91s and hopefully into the 93s, 94s, where we know that's a strong resistance, where we can then push back down to take out that 82 level where all the stops are resting. Alright, we'll keep you guys posted, but if I don't, you do have the blueprint. Trade safely and have a Merry Christmas again.